AI has emerged as a game changer in the world of fashion, revolutionizing every aspect of the industry, from design and manufacturing to retail and personalization. With its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, AI is transforming the way we create, consume, and interact with fashion. One significant application of AI in fashion is in design assistance and trend forecasting. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of fashion data, including trends, styles, and consumer preferences, to generate design recommendations. This assists fashion designers in creating unique and innovative collections that align with market demands. Additionally, AI can predict fashion trends by analyzing social media feeds, runway shows, and online shopping patterns, providing valuable insights for designers and retailers. AI also plays a crucial role in improving the efficiency and sustainability of fashion manufacturing processes. Machine learning algorithms can optimize production schedules, minimize waste, and enhance supply chain management. By analyzing historical data and real-time information, AI helps streamline operations and reduce environmental impact, making the fashion industry more sustainable. In the realm of retail, AI-powered recommendation systems are transforming the shopping experience. By analyzing customer data, including purchase history, browsing behavior, and personal preferences, AI algorithms can provide personalized product recommendations. This enhances customer engagement, increases conversion rates, and improves overall customer satisfaction. AI technologies have also enabled virtual try-on experiences, where customers can visualize how clothing items would look on them without physically trying them on. By leveraging computer vision and augmented reality, AI allows shoppers to virtually try on clothes, enhancing the online shopping experience and reducing returns. Moreover, AI algorithms are helping combat counterfeiting in the fashion industry. By analyzing product images and descriptions, AI can detect and identify counterfeit products, protecting brands and consumers from fraudulent activities. As AI continues to advance, its impact on the fashion industry will only grow. From design and manufacturing to retail and authentication, AI is reshaping the fashion landscape, driving innovation, and enhancing customer experiences. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will explore more AI applications in fashion and delve into the future of AI in this dynamic industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights on AI in various domains.